The final thing we're talking about in Unit 1B is going to be placement of adjectives. So we're really talking here about word order. So how do words go in English? We have first the subject usually, then the verb, then usually a direct object or something like that, and an adjective. And in English, our adjective comes first, and then our noun. But in Spanish, it's opposite. The noun comes first. So, for example, you can see here in this sentence, Margarita es una chica artística. She is an artistic girl. So you can see how this is the article, this is the noun, and this is the adjective, and that it's different than it normally is in English. Because in English we would say an artistic girl. We would put the adjective first and then the noun. But in Spanish it's the opposite. We say una chica artística. If you look down here, you can see this. It's a pretty simple pattern when you're writing in Spanish. So usually you do the subject first, or always you do subject and then verb. And then you do the indefinite article and the noun, and then the adjective. So, Margarita es una chica muy artística. Margarita is a very artistic girl. So usually you always have subject, verb, the article and noun, and then the adjective. These two are the main things, because you're probably going to remember those two because they're a lot like English. That's how we write in English. But these two, just remember that it's opposite of English. So the way English is, Spanish is just the opposite. Remember also, these little boxes here that say recuerdas, these are boxes that will help you remember. They want to make sure that you remember something else that is important to the grammar topic we're talking about. So this one says, remember, to make a sentence negative, you have to place the word no before the verb. So you can see here, Eduardo no es un chico serio. Or no me gusta jugar videojuegos. No goes before the noun or the verb. So you have to place no before the verb. I want you to try this activity 19 right here. I want you to try doing this in your OneNote right now and take a few minutes to do it. When you're all done, come back to the video. Now that you have finished, I'm going to recite these words or these sentences for you and follow along with your notes to see if you got them right. So number one should be Marina es una chica artística. Marina es una chica artística. Number two should be Tito es un chico perezoso. Remember, if you need to stop or rewind or go back or whatever, you can always do that. That's why the video is here. So if you didn't get that, rewind the tape, or rewind the video and go back to where you need to go. Number three, Paquita es una chica deportista. Number four, Marcos es un number four, Marcos no es un chico reservado. Number five, Rafael no es un chico estudioso. And number six, Teresa no es una chica inteligente. So make sure that you check those, see if you got those right. If you got those right, you're probably in good shape in terms of word order, because that's really important, word order. It's important that you have those right, that you put the noun first and then the adjective. Remember, it's opposite of English. Opposite of English. Tonight for homework, I want you to complete this activity right here. It's activity 21, and I'll put it on Edline. It'll be called Grammar 1B, Word Order. And I also want you to complete workbook 1B6, I think it is, and it'll be definite, indefinite articles workbook page. I'll put that all on Edline for you, so you have two things to do tonight for homework after you watch this video. And then remember on Friday that we're going to have a quest. So tomorrow, make sure to come with any questions that you have over Unit 1B, which is the vocabulary, the adjectives vocabulary, indefinite, indefinite articles, adjectives, and word order. Have a good night.